CoQ10, also known as coenzyme Q10, is a naturally occurring antioxidant that plays a crucial role in the body's energy production. It is found in every cell and is essential for the proper functioning of organs such as the heart, liver, and kidneys. CoQ10 levels can decrease with age, certain medical conditions, or as a side effect of some medications. Supplementation with CoQ10 has been shown to have a variety of health benefits. It can help improve cardiovascular health by reducing blood pressure, lowering cholesterol levels, and improving overall heart function. CoQ10 has also been studied for its potential to improve symptoms of certain neurological disorders, such as Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease. In addition to its antioxidant properties, CoQ10 is also thought to have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and diabetes. Some research suggests that CoQ10 may even help improve fertility in both men and women. Overall, CoQ10 is a versatile supplement that can benefit individuals of all ages. Whether you are looking to support your heart health, boost your energy levels, or improve your overall well-being, CoQ10 may be a valuable addition to your daily routine.